Hey guys, you'll never believe who I found.
We just got the tires put on the car. Thanks to Firestone, some guys last minute were able to help me mount the tires. So I just got those put on and we're gonna drive it to National Trail Raceway.
Hey, listen up, I've tried to tell you this 100 times. Not getting better by lying there pretending to cry. You on repeat, you can see shit cause you have closed your eyes. You say you listen, but you're missing what it's all about. Rise up now. If you never fall, you don't change at all. Cry out now. Have you given up? I will never stop, yeah. I try to help you, but you keep reading between the
Right lane, car number 3. What do you drive?
Thunderbird.
Thunderbird? Third pair, right lane, I'm racing Corey, and he's in a black Thunderbird. That's my opponent. So that time, I honestly was not expecting it to be a pro tree. I was waiting for it to drop and all the ambers just lit up and I was not ready. Yeah, I'm automatically out on that one. I'm gonna run a little bit of test and tune and get some practice with a tree because the past few races it's been a flashlight and I really need to brush up on leaving with a tree again. It's been a long time, so. So we discovered something thanks to some advice from another stick shift racer. I tried setting the line lock just slightly after I've pre-staged and then letting up on the clutch so it's slipping through the line lock, and that actually allows me to prepare myself for the light instead of trying to set the brake after I get staged, and by the time I'm trying to set it, the pro tree is already lit up, so I have less time to work with.
Oh, that's fun.
Here we go. All right. Welcome to the car wash.
There's nothing there for you to complicate. We're not aligned. You say Dying, you're growing up, you're growing old. Your life keep passing by. Rise up now. If you never fall, you don't change at all. Cry out now. Have you given up? I will never stop, yeah. Now if you break it, I can take it, I don't need a prize. Leave out the fact that I am up against 1,000 guys. My intuition efficient, cause I can't use my mind. Don't try to tell me how it's done, you haven't done